Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix this Apple ID cannot be created this time because this iPhone has been used many times to create Apple ID. As you can see, if you go to create Apple ID, this kind of error occurs. Then how you can fix that? So what you have to do, you have to simply grab the iPhone of your friend and simply create Apple ID on that device. After that, you have to sign out that Apple ID and you have to log in that Apple ID here. So here you have to provide that email on which you have simply created that Apple ID, and after providing the email address which you have created Apple ID, you have to simply provide the password after clicking on next. If you click on next, as you can see, so after a few seconds they will ask you about the password. So here you have to provide the password. So after providing the password, you can simply log in into your Apple ID without any problem. So I am going to enter password in my Apple ID, and after providing the password, first of all you have to make sure that they will verify your email about Apple ID, whether it exists on Apple ID or not. And after verifying, they will ask you to provide the password. So you have to be patient so that they can verify your email address. After they have verified email address, they will ask you for two-factor authentication, which means they will send you a code on your mobile phone number which you have used while creating the Apple ID. So you have to put that code in that two-factor authentication, and after putting the verification code, they automatically verify that code and you will be signed into iCloud and iOS device by simple this method. As you can see, I have been signing into iCloud, and after a few seconds of loading, your iPhone will be ready to use because Apple ID has been created. But they will ask you about the passcode. If you don't remember the passcode, so you have to click on don't know iPhone passcode. So you have to click on that. As you click on that, they will again ask you, but you have to make sure that you click on that you will provide it later. After a few seconds, as you can see here, they will ask you enter passcode later. So after that, you can simply log in into your